Hi guys! Today we are going to talk about the Russian alphabet and about 3 steps that learn it deeply and for a long time. Okay, here we go. Number 1. Surround yourself with the alphabet. It's not going to work if you spend just a couple minutes per day learning it. The more often you see the Russian letter, the faster you will remember them. Here are my suggestions. First, use post-it notes. On each note, write the letter and a couple of words with it. Some easy words. For example, M, Mama, P, Papa. Something like that. And put them everywhere around you. Every time you have a look at the note, say the letter out loud. Read the word and don't write translation there. You don't need translation. Then download apps on your phone. There are dozens and dozens of apps for learning the Russian alphabet. Some of them are for foreigners, some of them are for Russian kids, because they need to learn the alphabet too. So go on, check it and decide what suits you better. And from now, practice the alphabet every minute you have to spare. Okay, step number 2. Write by hand. According to scientific research, when we write something by hand, we activate special system in our brain. It helps to remember information deeper. So make sure you spend a few days writing with the Russian alphabet by hand. Start from the few letters, from A to last one, yeah, then go backwards. Then maybe try to write only vowels or only consonants. It's up to you, and keep doing it as long as you need to feel comfortable with all 33 characters. Write them by hand. Then number 3. Practice with words. It's absolutely not enough to recognize the isolated characters. You need to learn how to combine them into words as soon as you can. Start writing with words. At the beginning, it seems that you don't know any of the Russian vocabulary, but it's not true. Trust me, there are hundreds of foreign words that Russian adopted. You can start with sports. Basketball, hockey, polo, sport, start, fitness. And go on with the dishes. Pasta, pizza, hot dog, hamburger. You see what I mean? You know all words. I give a list of those words. I call them international words. The words that beginners can use. Brand, display, notebook, post, puzzle, boyfriend. Okay. Lunch, shopping, face, finish, джинсы, baby, mixer, internet, match, biker, diving, jazz, crossword, online, peeling, lifting. Anyway, if you are still not feeling comfortable in guessing how to spell words, try names. What's the problem? It's a great way of learning. You don't need to know the particular language to spell the names. They sound mostly the same in all languages. Start with your family and friends. John, Jane, Emily, Bob, Anna. Write them in Russian, just as you hear them. And don't have to care about spelling it correctly. Remember that your goal here is to remember the characters of the Russian alphabet, not writing without mistakes. So don't be shy, don't be afraid to write the words if your family is rather small, no problem. Use movie or cartoon characters. Perfect. Try to remember all the characters from the Lion King. Simba, Pumbaa, Timon. Who else was there? Mufasa. Anyway, I hope you know what I mean here. Use any names you can remember. It will help. So, these were the 3 steps to learn the Russian alphabet deeply and quickly. Surround yourself with the alphabet, write by hand, and practice with words. Keep practicing and you will know the alphabet is now time, and I promise you. And now let's have a look at the picture and pronounce with me the letters. A, like Mark, father. B, like burn, bank. V, like voice, vet. G, like go, gas. D, like dad. Y, like yet, yes. Yo, yoked, learn. And this letter is always stressed. J, pleasure. Z, like zoo. E, like east, feet. Y, like toy. K, kid, book. L, lamp. M, like mug or map. N, no. O, on, stop. P, pot, pet. R, room, is wrote like in Spanish or Italian. S, soon, sun. T, ten, tap. U, like book. F, like fan, fat. H, like human or hand. C, pizza, cats. Ch, chin. Sh, fish. Sh, she. Hard mark indicates hardness of the previous consonant. U, pronounced as E, but keeping the previous consonant hard, as in word we. Soft mark indicates softness of the previous consonant. E, pen, map. U, youth, after consonant, clue. Ya, like yard. It was the last one. This was the humble beginning in learning in Russian language. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to leave thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and not to miss any of my new videos.